before program 的2×2 rib. The software has been upgraded. Okay, so let's draw 2×2 rib. Before program 的2×2 rib. Name first. Okay, 2×2 rib you still have to make compressed pattern. Let's draw a compressed pattern first. 110 pa cage, waste yarn package. 2×2 rib we can make 200 stitches. For 3×3 rib there will alarm if you draw 200 stitches. Cause it's related to cycles. Let me give you a hint. For 2×2 rib, we prefer to use 123. I like to use 123. 122 is for 1×1 rib. This is just the code. Okay, above is 200 code. 20, we draw less. Hey, we found a problem. Can I draw a number row? Kid, can I draw a number row? Single row sheet actually contain 2 rows. It doesn't matter if you draw a number. Is that clear? Clear. Okay, then 211 is waste yarn. 24124 is the mark code. The compressed drawing is the same. These ribs, our compressed images are all drawn the same way. When compressed drawing has been made, we draw function line on both sides. Right-click to add function line. So, these steps are familiar to you now. We have made many files. It just takes time to know how to make packages. Oh? Okay, we show the center line. Reset center line. 1 needle to the left. Color 10. This is the compressed drawing. The compressed image is basically fine. Oh, that's right, because we all drew. I drew the second and third compressed pictures. Okay, so 3 pages in total. Refresh, brush the packages. Okay, the packages have been popped up. You see the module of 123, although it is 2×2. But it's not right either. Because there is no bottom and F rib. Okay, so how do we do that? How to make 2×2 rib? That's a problem. Today, the 2×2 rib is a bit difficult to understand. Oh, then let's select a draft area. Separate a draft area. Let's draw 2×2 rib. The regular 1×1 rib goes this way. Right. Regular 2×2 rib. Two needles on each needle bed. There is still 2×2 rib on the front needle bed. Then double it. Isn't 3×3 just 3 loop together? It's not about efficiency, it's on display. Do you understand? How to draw 3×3? How? Right. 3 front loops and 3 back loops. Is it good? So I finished talking about 2×2. I'll teach you how to draw 3×3 by yourself later. This is 3×3. This is 2×2. That 1×1 morning we talked about drawing like this. So these are the 3 common ribs. These 3. Do you understand? Then let's draw 2×2 rib. After you know 2×2 rib, let's do it. First of all, you still have to start making bottom first. Bottom. For 2×2. Review 1×1 again. 51. Review the content of the morning. If the stitch doesn't come out, you refresh it. Click the loop again. Then color E. This is the structure of 1×1 ring. 1×1 bottom. Is it on? After the bottom, knit 1×1 F rib. And this is the front loop. This is the F-rib for front part. There are some customers who want 1.5 rotations of F-rib. But in whole garment we prefer to make E rotation of F-rib. This is 1.5 rotation F-rib. Is that clear? This is the drawing method of 1:1 rib. I just haven't drawn the sagittal row. 2:2 in the afternoon. In your mind, we're going to double. Double what do you do? Let's adjust it. Double the loops. Right. Mine is right. How many loops has 1 cycles? Is bar needles as 1 cycles? Bar needles as 1 cycles. Hey, then after you do this, the F-rib goes this way. All should be doubled. According to our understanding. This is the structure of 1:1 rib. Everything has to be doubled. Is it as we understand it? Right. We supposed to think that 2:2 rib goes this way, right? Okay? But it's not possible in whole garment. Because of what? First, the float is too long. 5 stitches. There are 5 stitches float. Then this and that. Those two rows connect to each other. 51, 52 shall be transferred to opposite side, right? First, it's easy to cause miss stitch. Second, these two loops will be sagittal when after transfer. So it's unreasonable. So what do we do? You use 1:1 rib as the bottom first. Transfer loops to 2:2 rib. But there's a problem. That's me. I'll give you a full needle. You will understand what I mean. I'll draw a full needle. Full needles is easier to understand. (1:1 rib bottom then transferred to 2:2. Go this way. Turn 1:1 into 2:2. But after translating it to 2:2, does he have this? This looks ugly knitted by regular machine. Is there something wrong? Because his needle position has changed. Do you see it? It is knitting the front part. It then goes to the back part again. Stitches are crooked. If it is crooked, it will be ugly. If one coat goes straight on one column, needles like this are straight through. It is possible. The needle is crooked. This needle is crooked too. Then this needle is also crooked, right? Then it's not straight. It's not straight anymore. Like big rib, for example, 5×5 4×4, this kind. Use 1:1 rib for transition. Then you can't help it. For example, do 4×4 rib or 5×5. Use 1:1 as transition. This is ugly. There is no way. But we must avoid what we can avoid. This is ugly. I can't help it. For whole garment. Well, he wants to do 2×2 rib. Still use 1:1 as transition. And after 1:1 rib bottom, we have to give F-rib here. Knit F-rib for back part first. Then F-rib for front part. The twist flower then follows. Make it easy to do. ES bottom. 1:1 F-rib for back part. 1:1 F-rib for front part then. It will be easy to do. Okay, here we are. After these settings, we are going to draw 2×2 rib above. 2×2 rib. Then we just said, I copy 1:1 to it. Okay, copy it 1:1, each shall be doubled. Double. Double word. A cycle of bar needles. Remember today is an bar needle cycle. So what number the 200 needles shall be divided? Ahem. 200 needles in total. Divide by 8. Guess again. Divide by 4. Okay, so can 200 be divided by 4? Then how many needles as cycles for 3×3 rib? A what? Let me remind you, compressed pattern shall be divided by 6 for 3×3 rib. Okay then. 8 needles as cycle. However, 8 needles here shall be divided by 2. It's 100小时 air. 4 needles as cycle. Needle on the compressed pattern shall be perfectly divided. Okay, when 2×2 structure has been arranged. But something's not right. Still a little wrong. What's wrong? Let's take a look. That is, it's here, isn't it? 2 front loops for the front part. 2 back loops on the back part. Is it right to wrap around? We need to know what is wrap around. The edge of fabric. Then, 2 front loops for front part. 2 back loops for back part. Is it 2×2 to wrap around? Wrap around is right. And let's look at this. 2 front loops for front part. 2 back loops for back part. It wraps around also 2×2. Also correct. Also correct. 4 edge on loop for front part. 1 loop for back part. How many loops in total? See how I move it? On front loop for front part. How do I move the back part? What color do you want for the first needle on the back part? Yes, it's color R. Back part we go this way. Bar needles as cycles. Alright. There are 4 below as cycles. Okay, this is a drawing of 2×2 rib. It's done. Let's take a look. You see, it's wrap around. It's wrap around. Count this. There is no transfer on its edge. Loops on both parts are front loops. 1 front loop on each edge of 2 parts. So it's still 2×2 on its edge. 1加1等于2. So isn't 1加1加1 equal to 2? It take it apart to demonstrate. Right. We have to set cable now. Let's break it down. It will be harder if I don't break it down to show you. Harder for learners. This is the structure of back part. Delete back part here. Check this out. This is the action file. The expanded pattern here. We made it inside the package. You will understand when it show the action here. This is the front loop for back part. Here front loop as well. Front loop for front part. Rear as well. 1加1等于2. How cycles goes inside. Edges are front loops for 2 parts. Strip. Follow the package rule. Understand? We then give twist flowers. If knitted by regular machines, Front and back loops are not matched on the column. It's inevitably not being matched for big ribs. Small ribs we try to avoid it. Let's see what columns are not matched. What is this on this column? Question. Is it front loop or back loop? Back loop. Above it matches the front loop. Not same loops on this column, right? Are these codes same codes on this column? Codes are not matched. Has it changed? Then this one is broken. Just check the color difference. These are ventilate on third and fourth column. Fifth column different, so cycles come. Switch codes on first and second column. It ventilates. Codes on third and fourth are same, so leave alone. Switch codes here as well. Colors here are right as well. Here switch codes. Here is right. First column it ventilates. Second column as well. Third and fourth we shall switch codes. Codes on these two columns are right. Switch codes here. These two are correct again. Switch here. It's straightforward, right? Okay, so let's make 2×2 rib. I pull it down. When to switch? Be sure to before the rib starts. It's meaningless to switch after rib. Isn't it broken? Needles are not matched. In this row, which codes we shall switch? Okay, right. Here we shall transfer back loop. Cause we need back part. Switch codes before 2×2 rib starts. Just swap the needle positions. Okay, so did the two of them change? Yes. Transfer to front 90 code. Transfer to the front. And which code transferred first? Front loop goes first. Number R is the front loop for the back part. Transfer to the front needle bed. This loop goes here. Loop here to the right. Switch them. After that, it's too tight here. Cause float. Give knitting needle here. This is how switch goes. Shall we switch here? No need. Just find cycles of bar needles for 2×2 rib. Cycles goes. This is the setting for the back part. Okay, it has been changed now. Next row is for the front part. For front part now, give 3 empty rows. Switch codes here. Don't have to here. Don't have to on this column. These two columns. We shall switch codes here. OK, transfer to the back. We use number 80. We transfer front loop of front part first. Loop on the left. Transfer two needles to the right. Here two needles to the left. This is how it goes. Loop here shall be knitting code. Cause it's now transfer front loop now. So make one here. Here we don't have to switch codes here. Here we shall switch codes here. 8 needles as cycles for 2×2 rib. This is. And it is all over now. Rules just go this way. 3×3 starts from 1×1 rib. Sharing racking direction you should go this way. Place racking code with one direction on one row. Insert one row. Take it back. I just give you a hint how 3×3 rib works. Bottom F rib then switch. After this we still give waist yarn actions. Go this way. Give float codes here. And transfer codes. Duplicate it. There it is. When this step is over, we change colors. Change 0 to 255. We use 123 code to represent 2×2 rib. Draw 123 is one empty row. Compressed pages is 4. Cycles 7 for how many needles? Give 8 needles. It's over here. In compressed pages just divided by 4. Divide by is fine. Frame the package as I do. Add function line. 50 rows as cycles. Roller machine does not have to give numbers here. Rib we give 38 times. 38 is not fixed. Just practice so more is okay. 38 plus 2 rows 40 rows of rib. Here is the yarn feeder for waist yarn. Number 6 克 rope above. Be attention, there are empty rows here. Don't give yarn feeders here. Okay, I don't want transfer codes to have knitting actions. Cancel knitting here. Cancel knitting here. You then place package on the draft. We have one more step, cancel knitting. Cancel knitting here. We just want transfer action. This is the cancel knitting. Here, density is all the same. Waist yarn 22 segment, bottom 33, F rib 37, back loop 15. Front part 16 Back part 15 When over Duplicate data to the speed and roller. Doing this way. Front and back part number. Use the right number for two parts. 82 back part 81 front part. Don't make mistake here. 82 back part 81 front part. We now can type in word not here's. Number 2 code. Brush. Click on this icon. Let's review what we did. Set yarn feeder group. Set takedown layer. External qi release internal 3 40%. Let's take a look. Cycles 38 50. If there is no tick, cycles are not going to show on the monitor. Confirm. Check this out. 2×2 rib now pops up. Needle position is also correct. If there is alarm, somewhere might be wrong. Let's check out takedown layer in expanded view. Recalculate it. Show loops icon. Where there is action, we have to give rake parameter. There is something wrong here. Oh, right. Need to practice. Give one more row here accidentally. It's crooked. You can't do anything wrong. You can't do anything wrong. If you make a mistake, alarms pops up. Decode. Well, it's not that if it's no problem. We can't believe this mutation result. You just can't. You have to see the action file. Find if there is right in this action file. No long float at least. There is no long float here. Ribs here. 62 is separate transfer. This is all automatic. You see, some of you reinstall the software. Change it and do the order separately, otherwise it may not be very easy to do. 62 first. If there change, choose 62 in the complication option. After decode, we can knit it with knitting machine. After 2×2 rib, you can practice 3×3 rib.